Imagine a world where power, performance, and affordability coexist in a single smartphone. Welcome to the world of Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. This highly anticipated device, poised to succeed the Galaxy A14 5G, has been creating buzz with leaked details of its design and impressive specifications. From an octa-core Exynos 1330 to a hefty 5000 mAh battery, this phone is packed with features. An online listing has even revealed a tantalizing price point. With such a promising set of features, the Galaxy A15 5G is setting new standards in the smartphone market. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates. The Galaxy A15 5G is not just a smartphone, it is a powerhouse packed with top-notch features. What sets this device apart is its MediaTek chipset, a name synonymous with high performance and smooth multitasking. The heart of the Galaxy A15 5G beats with an engine that's designed to deliver a seamless user experience. And we can't talk about power without mentioning the robust 5000 mAh battery. This isn't just a battery, it's an all-day companion that ensures you're always connected, always ready. With such a powerhouse, you can game, stream, and work without worrying about running out of juice. Of course, a smartphone is also about the visuals. The Galaxy A15 5G doesn't disappoint with its 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. This is not just any display, it's a window to a world of vibrant colors and stunning clarity. Whether you're watching your favorite show or browsing through memories in your photo gallery, the experience is immersive and captivating. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Galaxy A15 5G boasts a 13-megapixel front camera for those perfect selfies and video calls. On the back, you'll find a 50-megapixel primary rear sensor, ready to capture life's moments in all their glory. Accompanying the main sensor are a 5-megapixel and a 2-megapixel camera, ensuring every shot is picture perfect. This device isn't just about the internals, it's also about the look and feel. The Galaxy A15 5G comes in a sleek blue-black color option that's sure to turn heads. The phone is conveniently sized, measuring 6.30 x 3.00 x 0.33 inches, making it a comfortable fit in your hand or pocket. With the Galaxy A15 5G, you're not just buying a phone, you're investing in a device that offers a comprehensive and superior user experience. From its powerful MediaTek chipset to its robust battery, vivid display, and impressive camera setup, this smartphone is set to redefine what you can expect from a device in its price range. But the Galaxy A15 5G doesn't stop at just impressive hardware. This smartphone packs a punch with its Mali G57 GPU, promising smooth graphics and enhanced gaming experiences. For those of you who love to download, click, and store, the Galaxy A15 5G offers an expandable storage option. You can boost your memory up to a whopping 1 terabyte with a micro SD card. That's enough to store all your favorite apps, pictures, videos, and more without a second thought. The Galaxy A15 5G will be running on Android 13-based One UI, offering a user-friendly interface. It's designed to make navigation and multitasking a breeze. Whether you're scrolling through social media, sending emails, or streaming your favorite shows, you'll be doing it all with ease and efficiency. Let's not forget about the on top, the 90 Hz refresh rate. This feature ensures a smooth, responsive display. Whether you're gaming or just browsing, the high refresh rate provides a seamless visual experience, reducing lag and motion blur. All these features and more are packed into one sleek, affordable package. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is not just it's a device designed to enhance and simplify your digital life. It truly is a testament to Samsung's commitment to bringing power, performance, and affordability to your fingertips. So let's watch this space for more updates as we get closer to the launch. The Samsung Galaxy A15 5G is more than just a smartphone. It is a testament to Samsung's commitment to bringing power, performance, and affordability to your fingertips. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the launch. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button.